For the longest time ever, I felt like I need to do this, to unplug from everyday life and just listen to myself, to the things I want to do, to what places I want to go, and well, that's why I chose to be here. This surreal place where you don't feel the everyday stress, where you don't hear others complaining. It's just you and the nature. Time is relative. It ticks slower here. Days seem to drag on for longer. For me, that meant more appreciation towards the little things. You know, when you're back home, you never really look at where you live or the food that you eat. Things just happen, and I can see how someone can become ungrateful or unhappy. But when you're out here alone for a week or two, it's hard not to think about the comfort of your home, the warmth of a hug, even getting a shower. I see all of these things now that I've never paid attention to before, which makes me want to spend more of my time here and ultimately makes me more grateful and more happy.